Just want to do a quick review on this Nextool Vanguard adjustable wrench multi-tool. Never bought a Nextool before. I was kind of worried about it being cheap or big and bulky compared to your traditional pocket knife. It's pretty nice. Feels pretty tight. Full size, you got plenty of leverage on it. Got the belt clip. And of course, it's got the Phillips and the flat bit. You can go here, here, or here. I was trying to decide between this one and the Leatherman Skeletal. Which the price difference is about half, so of course I was a little skeptical. But it feels pretty well put together. The saw, it locks. A knife, pretty good size. It does not lock. The roller's pretty recessed. I'm not sure if you can tell. So that's pretty nice. But yeah, compared to your, it's not much. It's not as bulky as you would think. Fits in the sheath pretty nice. If I have any problems out of it, definitely let y'all know.